Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a huge haul. Now I have a variety of things in this haul. I have some finds from Marshalls, I have some things I ordered, I have some accessories like earrings, jewelry, and then I also have some goodies that were sent to me. I'm going to start off with the goodies that were sent to me just because I'm super excited for these palettes that were sent to me from Qing Beauty Shop, and of course I will leave a link down below so you guys can check them out. Now they sent me a couple of palettes. I took them out of the box just so it could be much easier to show them to you guys. I'm going to start off with the smaller palettes, which look like this, and they carry a bunch of different brands of palettes and indie brands or new brands of makeup palettes. Like these are from the brand You Can Be, and this is a Marvel palette, and look at those colors. Super similar, can say like a dupe to the Huda Beauty Mini Obsessions palettes. And then the other one is the Swing palette, and again that same concept, dupe to those little Mini Obsessions palettes. You guys know I have dupes from the what was the other brand? I forgot, but I have dupes for those, but this one seems a dupe to their newer palette, and this one to one of the Mauve Obsessions palette. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. And then we have from this brand Handayan Golden Time eyeshadow palette. Now look at those colors. This is like a very deep sultry palette, super pretty. This one doesn't have a mirror. Both from this brand don't have a mirror, but that's totally fine. You guys know I never really care if palettes have mirrors or not. It's not a like deal breaker for me. And this one is the Exotic Customs from that same brand. And this one reminds me a lot of the Desert Dusk from Huda Beauty. It does have a little bit more like wine tones, berry shades, but it does have like those middle shades. These three shades remind me a lot from that palette. So that's this palette. Super cute. Now this one is the one I have on my eyes today, and you guys will be seeing that tutorial next. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the tutorial. Upcoming tutorials using these palettes, but for this makeup today, I am using this palette, and this is the Cage Line palette, and this is one of the most unique palettes I have in my collection now. Super cute. The packaging is adorable. It's holographic, and then the packaging is very unique. You lift this little tab up, and you have the colors there. It doesn't have a mirror, which, I mean, for the uniqueness of this palette, I don't feel like I'm missing out on the mirror. And like I said, I don't really care in mirrors on palettes. And then we have this one, Little Elfos. This is a Scorpio palette. Do I have it upside down? Yeah. And this is kind of like a little booklet, which I really like. And this is what it has, a humongous mirror. And here are the colors. Now it does have the little paper, the clear paper to protect the shadows, but what I like is that they took the time to write the names on that paper. I mean, if you can't get it on the palette and they still took time to give you the names on this and attach it, then I'm okay with that. And look at those colors. It has so many amazing colors. Like, I'm excited to do a look with this palette. I feel like it's kind of like those green shades down here, like gold and green, and up here it's like pink and purples. Love the concept of this palette. And then that it's kind of like a book. Super cute. It's still not humongous or thick. It's pretty compact, and it still has that huge mirror. So this one's really cute, and again, it's the Scorpio palette. The last one is this one. I think this is like the Virgo palette or something like that. And again, it says Little Elfos on the front, and it has like this extra detail on the front as well. Let me open it. Look at the, oh my gosh, the colors in this palette. This is all me, like warm tone goodness in this palette. Oh, I can't even talk. I can't with how gorgeous the colors in these palettes are. I literally cannot wait to use this palette, especially these colors right here. They're like yelling for me. This one right here, let me swatch it. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, I need to swatch this one now. Ooh, they're super creamy and buttery. Oh, I'm excited to use this palette. So I will be linking them down below. Qing Beauty Shop, the palettes, all that, so you guys can check them out. I'm so excited for those palettes. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw this huge package that I got from Pixi. It's a PR package, and this is what it looks like. It's all skincare. It's Love the Skin You're In, Skin Treats. And I have to stand from all the way back here because this package is massive. I hope you guys can see. I'm trying to peek to see if you guys can see everything. But this is what it looks like. This is the whole packaging. And it has like a little arrow and you spin it kind of to like a little game. The first thing is to depuff, and this is for under the eyes. Then it has a detox glow mud mask, peel and polish mask, the glycolic boost. It's a glow glycolic boost. And then the purify. This is a T-zone peel off mask, and they included a little like washcloth. Now I tried 2 of these, so let me take them out so I can show you guys, because this is jumbo and it's gonna fall. I tried the glow mud mask around my face, and then I tried the T-zone peel off mask in my T-zone, and I really like how it felt. Especially the mud mask, I thought it was going to make my skin feel like, you know, it was sucking all the moisture out, or like it felt like super dry, but it didn't, which I personally can appreciate. So I've tried these 2, and I actually have been really liking them. I will be linking Pixi down below if you guys want to check out their new masks. But I'm so excited to try out new skincare. I always get excited for new skincare and masks. I have a full drawer of masks, and I just can't get enough and can't stop buying more masks. Now I'm going to show you guys the few things that I got from Marshalls. First off, I have to show you guys this mug because why not? I'm pretty sure I showed it in my Burlington haul, but if you didn't watch that video, you're gonna watch it here. You're gonna see this portion here. So this mug has lipsticks, lips, lashes. It says Ooh La La, and it was only $3.99. I usually get my mugs from there. Ross, Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, wherever they're cute and wherever they have lipsticks or lips and lashes, I'm buying the mugs. Anyways, I found a Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in the color Afternoon Glow. I was shook when I saw this. It's only $14.99, 15 bucks. And I know their highlighters go for well over $30. So I was so excited. I never own anything Bobbi Brown, but I've seen that a lot of people rave about their highlighters and the other ones that are kind of like bars, like this style, but different shades. This color, I mean, it's gorgeous. For $14.99, I was like, yes, perfect way to try out Bobbi Brown. And look at that highlighter. It is like beautiful. I'm so excited to wear that. I'm excited that I found this highlighter. It was literally the last one, and I was like, yes, you're coming home with me because I need you. And then the last thing I found at Marshall's was a liquid lipstick from Stila. I just get so excited when I find liquid lipsticks from Stila because they're only $4.99. Full price at Sephora, at Stila. They're like $20 or $24, something like that. But I found it there for $4.99, and I got the color, I don't know how to pronounce this color. However you pronounce it. I was going to buy this color back when they had a sale last year, and they were only $11, the liquid lipsticks. I think it was on Sephora or on Ulta, and this color was sold out. It's one of their new shades, and it's just the prettiest like berry shade. Oh, I'm so excited, and I'm so happy I found this color. I tell you guys, I literally go to Marshalls and TJ Maxx just to look for the makeup they have because I never have enough. And then I think we can go into the accessories. So I did show you guys in that video the Burlington inside the dressing room. If you haven't watched it, I will link it down below. But I did get these earrings. They're kind of like discs, and these are half disc, and they have like glittery top, and then the bottom is gold, and these were only $2.99. They were on clearance. I have the little thing here, and this is from the District LA brand, but these went perfect with this makeup tutorial and look that I did. And then I got two other ones from Burlington as well. These were $6.99 and they're Guess. They're those, what are these called? Like bamboo hoops or something like that. I've always wanted a pair like this. Finally brought myself to buy them. And then these, when I saw these, I was like, I need to have them. I don't care. There are 3 little balls. Two huge ones at the bottom. This pair was only $4.99 and I cannot wait. They're long. Cannot wait to wear these and do a whole look. And then I also recently went to Forever 21 and I found a couple more earrings. So the first ones are these hoops with pearls. I don't know, these caught my attention. They look really cute. I can't wait to wear them. These were only $5.90. Next, these yellow ones. Guys, I was going to buy these on AliExpress, which they were much cheaper on there. Probably like $1. And I never brought myself to buy them. They have a bunch of different colors. And I bought them at Forever 21 for $7.90. I could have probably got like 5 or 6 pairs on AliExpress. But now that I see how long they are, I wanted to see them in person first. And I couldn't pass up this yellow shade because, I mean, look, I'm wearing mustard yellow. I just really love yellow. So I got these. I will definitely be picking more colors up, but from AliExpress because they're much cheaper there. And then you guys know how I've been complaining that I can't find any purple earrings. I found these and they're the closest I got to something purple. I might order the purple ones in this style from AliExpress. They just take a while to get here. So I got these in case I do my tutorial anytime soon. That purple, all purple look that I want to do, like that blue one that I did. So these are the earrings that I found for that look. But I really like them. They have kind of like a shift, like a rainbow shift. But they're primarily like purple and green. I don't know, I really like them. So that's the accessories. Also, I did get my Boxy Charm in case you guys, well, Boxy Luxe. Boxy Luxe is huge ass box. If you guys haven't watched that video, check it out. I will link it down below. I feel like this has to be the best Boxy Luxe we have gotten thus far. So I was super excited. I kind of did like a tutorial as well. I did like an unboxing / try on. So I will link that down below, or it's like 2 videos before this one. So that's that. Oh, I am almost forgetting. I did order something from Elf, which looks like, here's the little box. I've never ordered anything from Elf. The Pore Putty, I ordered it from Ulta, but they sent me like 4 free goodies, which I was like, okay, I will take them all. So I ordered the Elf HD powder, and this is a translucent powder. You guys know I literally want to try everyone's translucent powders, like every brand. So the new one is Elf. Then they had this poreless face primer. I wanted to try this one just because I've been looking for drugstore primers to try out to see if they're good, to recommend to you guys. And then I also picked up the liquid matte lipstick in Wine Tour. And I've been wanting to try their liquid lipsticks as well. I ordered a blush, a luminous blush in Radiant Peach. I love peach shade of blushes. Is that the right way to say it? I love peach blushes. Peach blushes. Tomato. And then I got this Elf Glow Plus Coconut Moonlight Highlighter. It's these little ones. I was very intrigued and I swatched this, and girl, I cannot wait to wear this highlighter. And this is in the color, I think it's Moonlight, and it has a cloud-like texture. And then the other highlighter that I saw, these were becoming super popular. I couldn't find them at Target, which is why I placed this order. It's the Metallic Flare Highlighter, and this is in 24K Gold. They have 3 other shades, a lighter one that I want, but it was sold out, so I just got this one. So I'm excited to try it. And then the 4 things that they gave me for free. Let me put this down because I have a mess right here. They gave me a little sample of the Hello Hydration face cream, which I have heard is super popular. So I can't wait to try it. you know, skincare, excited. The moisturizing lipstick in Bordeaux Beauty. Bordeaux, I hope that's how you say it. And then they also gave me a e.l.f. matte lip color in Dash of Pink. It's kind of like those lip crayons, and it's matte, which I was excited to use that one. And then this one, I tried it out on my lips and I swatched it and I really like it. It's a Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in Touch of Nude. And it's a really pretty nude shade. It felt really good on the lips, so I'm actually going to keep this one. You guys know I don't really use bullet lipsticks anymore, but I'm kind of trying to get back into the swing of using them, just because I know not everybody likes liquid lipsticks, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous nude shade, so I'm excited. And I love the packaging on this. It's like super sleek and like transparent. I really, really like it. So yeah, that was everything from e.l.f. That was everything for this whole haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't mind that I mixed in a little bit of accessories. Don't forget to check the description down below for the links to the palettes. I will link the e.l.f. stuff as well. And all my social media is always linked down below if you guys want to follow me and chat with me there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!